Today's tutorial unleashes the world of Google Cloud's Duet AI, the latest software code helper similar to GitHub Copilot. We'll get started super easily using the Cloud Shell editor, but touch on how to add these AI powers to your local IDE. Once the Cloud Shell opens up, give the editor a click. Next, for a more turnkey experience, we'll want to use the brand new version of the editor. Notice the conspicuous Duet AI button? Hang tight, we'll venture down that path shortly. For now, let's lay the groundwork by opening up a folder for our testing work. Inching closer, we bring a new file to life. Let's name it example.py for now. Get ready for the big reveal as we summon our powerful Duet AI system. Note that this service costs $19 per user per month, but you may qualify for the free promotional pricing until February 2024. Once ready, click on the beckoning Duet AI button, positioned in the bottom right corner, and sign it. Click to authorize. This allows us to use the logged-in user identity. Now choose a project. This will be important for the aforementioned costs and billing, as well as the API enablement and service management. Next up, let's actually put this to a simple test with some Python code. We're striving to calculate statistical measures on a string of numbers. As with other code completion tools, accept suggestions with the tab key. In this case, it has intelligently summoned the right code for our statistics calculations. Just to be sure, let's put this code to the test by running it. Indeed, the output all looks good. Remember, Duet AI is multilingual in Go, Java, JavaScript, SQL, and more. Our internal testing so far across a few languages suggests strong capabilities near the GitHub Copilot level. If you're following along or will be looking at this later, keep in mind that you may be tripped up by third-party cookies. You need to add Cloud Shell Dev to your cookie exceptions list to empower yourself with the Cloud Shell Editor terminal and things like the in-IDE Duet AI chat pane. In that chat, we have higher-level conversation and consulting around our code. This Duet AI chat feature is available beyond the borders of the IDE. Take a step back to the console and see that we can use it there as well. In any case, the chat answers are often backed up by documentation links, which can be super helpful, especially when you're building systems on Google Cloud. If you want to use Duet AI outside of the Cloud Shell editor, retrieve it from your IDE Extensions marketplace like the Visual Studio Code marketplace. Thanks for watching, and please enjoy responsibly.